Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Venmo payment decline. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to help.venmo.com for us to solve this issue. Now in here, you have to go to the following links and you need to click on the section that says payments and transfers. Now here it's going to load up this UI here. Now here you need to click on declines, and from here you need to click on payment declined. Now there are actually a few reasons why Venmo payment is being declined. So the first reason is your bank or card issuer is declining the transaction. So if that's the case, then you'll have to directly contact the bank for your card and see if there are any issues with your account. Now another reason for the declined error on your Venmo is the payment attempt has triggered one of Venmo's automated security flags. So that means that you have to update your account or probably reach out to support for this one. So if you scroll down into this website here, you need to go to the have more questions section and just click on submit a request link. Now from here, you could contact Venmo support and reach out if there are any issues with your account. Now here you need to enter your full name, your phone number, your email address that you use with your Venmo account, and also the subject and how can we help. So in this case, the subject, you just need to enter the section that says Venmo payment declined, and here how can we help, just if you choose the appropriate one for this one. Now here you need to explain a few circumstances of your issue, and you could actually attach attachment as well if you want to, and from here just click on submit to submit your request with Venmo support. Now from there, you just need to wait for Venmo support's reply to your request, and from there just cooperate with them for you to solve your issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.